All right, y'all. So you got a hungry crew and not a lot of cash? I got you covered. Whether it's a big family dinner, a bunch of friends dropping by, or you just want leftovers for days, this recipe is going to be your new go-to. Today, I'm showing you how to whip up a creamy shrimp and sausage pasta that'll feed 7 folks, without breaking the bank. This dish is rich, filling, and comes together with simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry or freezer. So grab your biggest skillet, roll up those sleeves, and let's get cooking. Trust me, you don't need to be a chef to pull this off. First off, bring a big pot of salted water to a boil and toss in 1 pound of dry pasta. Spaghetti, penne, whatever you got on hand works just fine. Pasta is the backbone of this meal, and it's super affordable, so don't be shy about using what's in your cupboard. While that's bubbling, slice up about 12 ounces of cooked smoked sausage. The sausage brings a smoky, savory flavor that really makes this dish pop, and it's a great way to stretch your protein dollar. You can use just the shrimp or just the sausage. It doesn't have to be both. If you choose one or the other, just double the meat that you choose. It's up to you. Now, in that skillet, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. The butter's gonna help build a rich, creamy base for our sauce. Toss in a tablespoon of minced garlic. Let that get fragrant just a minute or 2. You'll know it's ready when your kitchen starts smelling good. Sprinkle in 3 tablespoons of flour and keep it moving so it don't burn. This is gonna thicken up our sauce real nice. Stir it for about a minute, just until it loses that raw flour taste. Slowly whisk in a cup of chicken broth, then add 2 cups of half and half. Pour it in gradually, whisking as you go, so you get a smooth, lump-free sauce. The broth adds depth, while the half and half makes it extra creamy. Season with half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and if you like a little kick, a touch of cayenne and red pepper flakes. You can always adjust the heat to your liking or leave it out if you're cooking for kids. Keep stirring while it thickens up, should take 2 or 3 minutes. You want it to coat the back of a spoon but not get too thick, since the cheese will thicken it even more. Now, drop in 6 ounces of shredded Parmesan and 1 cup of mozzarella. The cheese is what takes this sauce over the top, making it gooey and irresistible. Stir till it's all melty and smooth. At this point, turn your oven on to broil high. It will be hot and ready when the time comes. Toss your sausage back in, and now for the best part, shrimp. The combo of shrimp and sausage is classic, and it makes this meal feel special, even though it's budget-friendly. I'm using a bag of extra large shrimp. I use frozen shrimp. Just thaw them first. Shrimp cooks fast, so it's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Throw them right in the sauce and let them cook till they're hot, just a few minutes. Don't overcook them or they'll get rubbery. You want them juicy and tender. Your pasta should be done by now, so drain it and add it straight to the skillet. Don't worry if a little pasta water gets in there. It actually helps the sauce cling to the noodles. Stir everything together so that sauce hugs every noodle. Make sure everything's well combined. Pour your mixture into a 13 by 9 baking dish. Top it off with the rest of your mozzarella. Place in the oven for just 3 minutes the browned and melty mozzarella, and makes it look extra appetizing. There you go, a big old dish of creamy shrimp and sausage pasta, ready to feed 7 hungry mouths. This is comfort food at its finest, and it's sure to bring everyone to the table. Serve it up with some garlic bread or a side salad, and you've got yourself a meal that's big on flavor, but easy on the wallet. You can even add a sprinkle of extra cheese or a squeeze of lemon if you want to brighten things up. Give this a try next time you're feeding a crowd. Your taste buds and your budget will both thank you. It's a meal that my kids ask for on the regular. I'll leave list of ingredients in the description. My cost at time of recording was right around $25 for everything. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Don't forget to leave a like and share the video and let me know how it turned out. Until next time, keep those bellies full and those wallets happy.